Doctors, nurses, pharmacists, they are professionals in their own field, but sometimes they are bound to make mistakes in their profession. We trusted them for our health. So when we visit hospital, we trust that the hospital, the nurses, that they know exactly what they are doing because that is their area of specialist. But sometimes they make mistake. Why I make this video? Whenever you visit hospital and they prescribe drugs for you, that you go to pharmacist or go to pharmacy to go and correct it. When you reach there, especially those who are living abroad in a country that is not speaking English. Even the countries that are speaking English, these are very important that you cross-check when the medicine is being given to you, because most of the times when they prescribe drugs for you, you cannot see the drugs here because it will be in the system. You have to go to pharmacy and present your ID card. Then the pharmacist will bring the medicine which the doctor prescribed for you and give it to you. Don't just go to pharmacy and buy some type of medicines. There are the ones that you can buy like paracetamol. You can go there and buy it. But once it's something that you cannot just go to pharmacy and buy it, when the drugs is given unto you, read the description. Read it very well to know if it is the right medicine that you're supposed to take is what they give you. Because there are incidents that happen in Germany when a lady took her son to the hospital and they prescribed drug for this lady for her son, and they went to pharmacy, and when the pharmacist gave her the drugs, she quickly interpret and read the description of the medicine and find out that the medicine that the pharmacist handed over to her is not the right medicine that she's supposed to get. Instead of her getting the medicine that will be administered internal, they gave her medicine that will be administered external. Can you imagine? If this lady did not shake and cross-check the inscription very, very well, the dosage very, very well, because supposed to be using it 4 times a day, outside, external, not internal. And instead of she to be using it external, use it internal. Do you imagine what could have happened to her son? So please, most of the times we neglect all these things. If you are living in a country that is not speaking English and you are from English-speaking country, that is why it is very, very important for you to know at least 50 to 60% of the language of the country where you are living. If you know 100%, it's also good. But for you to know the knowledge of the language so that when they write it in their own language, you can able to read it. Because most of the times we make this mistake because it is doctor that prescribe it and you believe that it is the pharmacist that give it to you, that they know this. They can make mistakes sometimes. Because many people may be on the queue, you might be standing, you might make mistake, it may be of the same name of the medicine, but you have different thing that is working. So when you get it, check it, ask question. Ask question. How will I take it? Don't assume that you have know how to take it. Ask the person, how will I take it? And this is the reason why I'm taking it. Is it the right medicine? Ask that question. Because most of the time, if you take wrong medicine, trying to cure something that is worrying to you, but you are taking wrong medicine, you are adding more things, more sickness to your body. So imagine if that lady made that mistake and administered that drug on her son, what will happen to that child? The pharmacy have to apologize. But let's assume that she didn't know and something happened. What has happened has happened. So please, for us to avoid this mistake, let us always cross-check anytime we go to a pharmacist, anytime we go to doctor. Make sure that it is the right medicine that they wrote for you or they write for you. You go to pharmacy, also cross-check and make sure that it's the right medicine which they write for you. Ask questions always. Don't just assume that they know. Yes, they know, but sometimes mistake can occur. Let that mistake no call on your own head and your own family. God bless you so much. See you on my next video.